Welcome back to the VMP Performance channel. I'm Justin, and in front of me I have our new Gen3R 2650 supercharger for 2003-2004 Cobra, often called the Terminator, which was the internal Ford code name. It still uses our bolt-on elbow system, which accommodates our throttle body along with throttle bodies from AccuFab. And even the stock throttle body, we have a few of those elbow adapters left. You can run the Gen3R as low as 18 to 20 PSI with a 3.3-inch pulley. It uses the same interchangeable pulley system. Easy access to the bolts, both on the sides and on the back. The map sensor mounts right here. It has all the provisions for the factory EGR system and the factory emissions, all of the vacuum lines. We originally came out with this blower several years ago, and at the time we were still with a different supercharger manufacturer. Now we are with MAGNUSON across our entire product line, and we decided it would be a great time to re-release the Cobra Gen3 as the R model with some special features built in. The biggest, most exciting change with the Gen3R is that it now features MAGNUSON DFT technology. This is the stage 2 inlet port, and this shape right here is optimized for the best possible horsepower and torque curve from the 2650 rotors. So one of the things that we wanted to address with the 0304 Cobra platform is the factory intercooler. So we worked with our partners at PWR to develop a really nice upgrade for the 0304 Cobra. This intercooler core has more surface area. It's a direct bolt-on to the bottom of our TVS superchargers or any 0304 Cobra supercharger. So this core uses PWR's latest bar and plate technology. We've increased the size of the water flow tubes on the front. We are working with James at Cobra Engineering to make a 1-inch version of his water manifold. For those of you that don't want to upgrade the water manifold right away, we do make these tubes that allow you to use the stock water manifold. They just go right in here, and they neck down in size to adapt to the stock manifold. This bar and plate design and this fin design is designed to effectively take away heat regardless of whether you have a stock pump flowing 4 to 6 gallons per minute or you have one of the huge EMP pumps that flows 15 gallons per minute. When we started working with MAGNUSON, we did an analysis on the nose drive and actually increased the oil capacity in the nose drive. And this allows this whole system to deal with heat, pressure, and RPM better by increasing the available airspace and actually lowering the fluid volume in the nose drive. So with a VMP TVS supercharger, you should only be running 3.75 ounces of oil, or about 100 milliliters. If you pull the fill plug out of your nose drive and check fluid level, it is not going to be to the fill plug, and do not ever fill it up to the fill plug. You want to use a piece of wire, a zip tie, or something just to dip in there and check that there is fluid down around here. If you fill it up all the way, this is almost 8 ounces of fluid. That is way too much. That does not allow the proper room for the fluid to move around. The fluid actually performs better and aerates less at a lower level, and it's just able to do its job. The one other thing I want to add too, this is a specific Eaton TVS style fluid. It is NYE 605. It is available from VMP or the Ford dealer or even the Chevy dealer. I just tell people, if you're out there and you need some supercharger oil, go to the Ford or Chevy dealer, ask for supercharger oil. A lot of those vehicles came with Eaton TVS superchargers over the years. For our California customers that are interested in the Gen3R, CARB numbers are pending. We do plan to get CARB numbers on both the intercooler upgrade and the supercharger itself. Keep an eye out for some results from the Gen3R on a mostly stock Cobra on 93 octane. Until next time, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I will see you later.